Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off hints in CarX Street. Hints can be super helpful when you're just starting out, but once you get comfortable racing, you might prefer a cleaner screen with no pop-ups. So in that case, you might need to turn off the hints option while playing CarX Street. If yes, first of all launch open the CarX Street application on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. Once it loads, go to the top left corner and tap on the settings button, and once you're inside the several menu on the screen, go ahead and click on the game option from the top. Under game, scroll down and look for hints. If you want to turn off hints, make sure that you tap on off right next to hints. If you ever want to switch on the hints, you can just tap on the on button. So that way you will be able to turn off hints in CarX Street. Now you can get back to the home page and then start a race or drive around to confirm your hint settings are working the way you want. You have successfully turned hints on or off in CarX Street. Now you can race with guidance or enjoy a clean distraction-free screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.